In Tinobdan San Fernando, there's a legend. They say an old woman with pale skin and white hair appears on this trail, Doña Camalta. She's kind. They say she lets gold without asking for anything in return. But not everyone who borrows from here make it back alive.
Napa na siya darang? Dana na yan to. Ang tugbang ani, yung isuon. Yan lang nukuan. Maria Kakao. Kini ani.
Pila na kabog sa gini?
Maria Kisina.
Pila kabog?
Tuwa ni sa akong kawan. Ang puti ka, kuan ang puti.
Sino tanay ka nang hatag siya gold?
Nata.
Tumapahuwa ka tayo mo sila.
Napahuam ko na og kwintas mga gold. Lusap gold. Kutsara gold.
Oo.
Pero gibinuangan mo ko na sila gold guys. Huwag man nila iuli.
Parani mo na doon siya. Tinood na si Junior Malta. Oh, tinood kina.
Ang isuuna na to sa Marikistina Paul.
Oo.
Kana kung nga nagmarikistina dito mo na magsuon na sila.
Buhay para
Mabuhi pa karon. Kana bisan tubig nagagas niya sa
tao ba sila?
Mindanao.
Tao na sila, tao.
Tao, pero tagas na sa Gilom.
Pagkakilong.
Tagas na sa Gilom. Sini ko daan ikaw, Maria Kakao.
Dira, nababaw?
Oo,
Ako
kanina
na yung usa kay sunay sa.
Magpakita sa nagagabi rin.
Ha?
Magpakita na siya ikaw sir nga.
Magpakita na og. Pakita ka. Pakita
Ano
niya.
ay bang ano?
Kaya kanagod sila niya to, magpahuam na sila mga lusa, mga kutsara.
Mga kaha, mga
Oo. Magpahuam na sila. Karong gibinuangan man.
Pangpang ra din wala na siya
Oo.
balay din.
Business kasal. Magpahuam na sila nas pang para ibutang.
Still balay.
Na plane. Ibutang. Basta human siya.
Okay, salamat ah.
Mara to?
This is the thrill where that old woman shows up. Come on, that's just a scary story.
Look around the gate. There's nothing wrong with being careful. I'm not kidding. My grandma told me that an old lady appears here around sunset. She offers gold, but not everyone takes its compliment.
Maybe it's just an old tale.
Children, are you tired? I have a goal. It is a gift. Take it when you need it. That's very kind of you, Donya. Are you really sure? Yes, but remember this, those who break up their promises will get lost on the way back.
Will, it is free. I'm not saying no. What's the worst that could happen?
But things began to change. The trail got slippery, paths disappeared. A cold white followed them at every step.
Wait, where's Jessa? She was here.
It is gone too. Something is not right. Something is chasing
And
us.
was never seen again. Jessa vanished into the darkness. One by one, they disappeared, still carrying the gold given by Doña Camalta.
I knew this would happen. We did not return the gold.
Just because someone's kind doesn't mean we can take advantage.
I'm not here to warn you, children. I am reminded.
Even today, they say an old woman appears at dusk in Tinobdan. She offers gold. She offers kindness, but for those who don't take her seriously, she brings that too.
Wait, where's Jessa? She was here.
Where?
We're everywhere. Tawa pa.
Yato to sir.
Wait, where's Jessa?
Ato ni ma'am.
One, two, three. One. Kami ni Orlan magtabi mi nga. Diri dito lang nga. Ano dit? Ano to? Diri.
That's very...
Huh? Huh? Iro na to. Iro na to. Dapat ikaw nintinda na.
Kana mga sayo ba?
Oh, alas 3.
Doña Camalta.
I'm not here to warn you, children. I am... knew this is...
Balik, ay sa...
Legend.
I knew this one.
Julie, cut lang niya.